you can't really see in the walls after the home is already built. I do take you up to the attic. In fact, we'll do that on this one right here, and we'll see if we can see how nice this Highland home is in Meridiana. Let's go. Lincoln plan, a little over 2,600 square feet, 2627 to be exact. 4 bedroom, 3 bath, half bath downstairs, 2-car garage. Anyway, that's the specs. Here's the street view. Yeah, they're just about done with this. This is actually the new section. But this one is available. So what you guys would do is call me, contact me, and say, hey, James, I like that Highland home or any home like this in Manville, League City, because I'm James Potenza, your Houston area new construction realtor. All right, so let's just take a look at this home and see what we got. Nice open kitchen. I can't stand it. I have to push that every time. Nope, it's not working. There it is. I love that. So, as you know, you can always get a good deal on an inventory home, but you need to be represented. This one is listed at $429,900. That's the list price. But yeah, you'd call me and say, hey, James, I want to go see that inventory home or maybe another inventory home in Meridiana. And all you do is call me, text me, however you can get in contact with me. We don't even have to go to the model home. We just come right up here. And the moment you contact me, I'll be your representative representing your best interest. And I love it when that's a structural add-on. I don't know, I think they still call it a bay window. Nice high ceilings. Boy, I love Highland Homes. I'm telling you. See, I didn't even come and turn the lights on. As if you're behind me. And this is pretty much how I'd show you the home. You know, Highland's a good builder, but all builders are not perfect. Highland gets pretty close. They make a beautiful home by the time you're ready to move in like this. This one looks done. And by the way, this one is 5338 Murillo Drive. There's the toilet. But you got to contact me first. I want to walk out there. I want James to represent me. And then I'll talk, if we like it, I'll talk directly with the salesperson and see what kind of deal we can get you. And of course, you're going to need inspections as well. Probably just one structural inspection. I can refer you to a good inspection company. Where's the light switch? There it is. Perfect. There's your tankless. A lot of builders are putting those in. This is ready for your water softener. Nice. So you just put all that in and it loops around. Hot water all the time. Breaker boxes. There's your sprinkler system. All right. Yeah, so they give you those to cover your upper windows in case you have a wind event, like a hurricane or something. One more look at the kitchen. Nice. All right, back to the front. Here's your half bath. All right. This is a nice one. I've seen this floor plan. It's really nice. Man, this is move-in ready. Yeah, if you're a 30 to 60 day, oh, nice. I got floors up here. Nice. You don't normally see that in an inventory. But what I was saying, if you are a 30 to 60 day or even 90 day buyer, I've got a guide, that QR code I'm going to put at the end to get you started. And where's the light switch? There it is. Whoa, sorry about that. Blinded you. It's nice. So it's a bedroom. It's got a closet, a linen, and of course a full bath. Upstairs, all by itself. Nice. Who wouldn't want this room? And this one doesn't have any windows. And I'll tell you why. Because it's a media room. I think this is a structural add-on for this Lincoln floor plan. Nice. And a huge closet upstairs. I do like these floors up here. So you've got your media room over there, but you also have your game room here. So you can still put a TV there, and you got enough room for a pool table. Super cool. Sounds like the workers are coming in to finish some stuff up. That's okay. Closet. Oh yeah, that's the guy you got to call. He'll get you a good deal on these homes and help ensure that they're built right. Let's just go this way. Yeah, so that goes into the next bath area and the other bedroom. So 3 up, 1 down, 4 bedroom. Nice. Let's see if we can find the attic. All right, we found the attic. I love taking you guys up here. Ooh, this is a nice one. Got plenty of room. No, I don't get excited. Plenty of blown in insulation. This is where it really comes into play to help you guys out. And that's why I walk these homes in these phases. Well, obviously this one's already done, but come up here in the attic. And so I'm educated, and hopefully you guys are, on the type of builder that you're buying. So if it's a complete home, I'll walk the framing stage of that builder at some point. There's your HVAC, the heater, evaporator coil, gas lines, everything. That's going to be a train, by the way. Super efficient, top of the line. Up in the attic, you got that shiny material. That's the heat radiant barrier. Plenty of blown-in insulation. Nice. Okay, almost forgot. I do this every time. I always forget to show you guys the back effort. I've shown some homes, and somebody commented, "Hey James, where's the backyard?" was like, what? Oh, this one's nice. Got a nice side yard. Decent size. Now, these are the 40-foot lots, so keep in mind, they're 40-foot lots. You do have the electrical here. Those bushes will grow over. Yeah, it's kind of on a curve, the street kind of curve, so you're going to get a larger front and side area. That's that train system I was telling you about. Super nice, super efficient. Nice covered patio. Yeah. So I'm James Potenza, your Houston area new construction realtor. Go to that QR code, especially if you're watching on TV. You'll be able to go right to my page where you can get started on a 30 to 60 day or even 90-day new construction home buyer. And let me do the work for you. I'll find you incentives, I'll find you deals, I'll find you homes anywhere in the Houston area. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Oh, and by the way, if you're watching on the phone, or your computer, I'll put the link to that same QR code in the description. We'll see you later.